If you use the Journal app on your iPhone, you'll be glad to know it's now available on the iPad and the Mac on iOS 26. But that's not all that's new. We now have a brand new map view where you can see really easily whereabouts in the world you've pinned different memories and different entries to your journal. All I'm going to do is press the back button in the top left-hand corner, and then I can tap onto the map preview at the top. Now this is quite fun just to explore by panning and zooming around, but actually as you do that you're going to notice the journal entries at the bottom of your screen are filtered based on the area you can see in the map. When I zoom to Scotland, I can see an entry from Edinburgh. If I go back to London, I can see an entry from London. And if I go across the Atlantic to America, I can then see entries that I posted when I was in the States. Of course, you can tap onto journal entries as normal to view them, and this is based on the location you assigned in the entry itself. I really like this, and if you're someone that travels a lot, it's a really nice visual representation of where you've been. Or even if you don't travel a huge amount, your map will be zoomed in closer to where you normally are, and you can still see different places plotted in different restaurants or cafe, or work out locations that you've been to for a walk or a run, for example. And you'll find lots of other new things in iOS 26 and in the Journal app as well on my YouTube channel. In fact, there's a whole new way in journaling of having multiple journals at the same time. Check that video out on my channel along with hundreds more. I'll see you next time.